Hi everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm the Midlife Skier. While on a pre-Christmas ski trip to Snowshoe, West Virginia, things got a little crowded over the weekend. Since it had just opened and I've heard that it is usually far less crowded, we decided to check out the separate Silver Creek ski area that's part of the resort. Today I'm going to share our experience at Silver Creek for their opening weekend in December of 2025. Silver Creek is a separate ski area from the main basin or village area that makes up the largest portion of Snowshoe Ski Resort. It's fairly easy to get to as you can take a shuttle bus straight from the main village area of Snowshoe over to Silver Creek. It's about a 5 to 10 minute ride and you get dropped off right next to the slope. We had heard that Silver Creek is usually far less crowded than the main area of Snowshoe, so when things got more crowded on the weekend days around noon, we decided to head over. Since it was opening weekend, they only had 5 slopes open, which is about half of the area. As usual, I was on my 2025 Armada Declivity 88C 176 centimeter skis. Yep, work on those parallel turns. Yep, we're coming in now. No problem. Yep. The final stats for just Silver Creek were top speed of 29.8 miles per hour, average speed of 17.5 miles per hour, and total vertical feet of 7,138 feet. Since it was the last place we skied on the 3-day trip, my carve score was the best at Silver Creek. We really enjoyed skiing at Silver Creek. While the terrain wasn't as diverse as the main Snowshoe area, it was still pretty fun. Also, it was an absolute ghost town, so not having to worry at all about traffic or lift lines was really nice. I think that might have been part of what allowed me to progress even more at Silver Creek, was when I'm skiing and I feel like there's a lot of people around or people to avoid, I'm a lot more cautious. Whereas when the slopes are a bit more empty, I feel like I'm a little more aggressive, and I think that's allowing me to advance more. I'm excited about seeing Silver Creek later on in the season once it's fully open, and we're really looking forward to coming back there and checking out the full thing. So that's it for today, and I hope you have a great day.